Welcome to this special episode of Frequency Matters, the RF and Microwave Update series. I'm Pat Hindle, and today I'm talking with Mark Murphy, Global Market Manager for RF and Microwave Energy at Mini Circuits. Welcome, Mark.
Hi, Pat. Thank you very much. Good to be talking to you again.
So when you last came on the show, Mini Circuits has just getting started into the RF energy market. How has the product line developed since then?
Yeah. Since the last time we talked, we've continued to invest a load of engineering resources into the team. And 2023 for us was a real breakout year. So if you look at what we've been doing, say in the years before that, the 2 years before that, since we started the product line, we'd probably released about 3 products. This year we're going to be doing more than 10 products, and so that's big deal for us. And then to give you an example of some of those products, we have a new 2.45 gigahertz 50-watt module. So it's 50 ohms in, 50 ohms out. It has an integrated signal source and a complete system controller. It comes together with a Windows-based GUI and essentially a standalone system. So essentially, when the customer gets this, he just needs to connect it up to his applicator or the end application, and they're basically within minutes they'll be measuring real-time data. So we believe this is going to be disruptive. We see applications like low power plasmas being a key application, and general heating applications for flexibility and control are critical. So we're really excited about that product, and that's going to be coming within the next month. And then further, we also at 2.45 gigahertz, we're going to be releasing a 1 kilowatt module. And last year we introduced our 250 watt 2.45 gigahertz building block, and we quickly got feedback that there was demand for higher power. So our engineers, basically what they've done is they've taken 4 250 watt modules, they combine that up to make 1 kilowatt. It's water cooled, it has an integrated power supply, and it's truly turnkey in every sense of the word. Now, if you look at that 1 kilowatt design, to make that possible, we had to design a system controller and then also create a command language to be able to create algorithms at different application level. We designed a 1 kilowatt combiner where we have a patent pending on that, and we also designed a phase magnitude control board. Now, all those modules go in to our 1 kilowatt integrated solution, but at the same time, we also will release these modules as standalone products. So customers can buy these and build their own system to their preferences. So we're really pushing our building blocks. These building blocks give the customer the flexibility actually to do what they need in their application the way they want to do that. So that's really exciting as well. Further, if you look at products, we're scaling up the power level, especially at 915 and megahertz and 2.45 gig. You'll see new products coming out with higher power levels. And then further, we're working very closely with our marketing communications team to create a lot of video content, illustrating the flexibility of our portfolio. And if you have time, I would recommend anybody just to check out our website. There's some nice stuff there.
Yeah, everybody always wants more power.
Yeah.
So what markets are you watching, and where do you see most of the activity coming from now?
The traditional markets like semiconductor, medical, industrial, and heating, they're starting to expand really, really quickly as we expected, and they remain very interesting to us. So we're doing a lot of work there. And then if you look beyond that, we see new apps starting to emerge. So for example, synthetic diamonds, green energy apps such as hydrogen production or fusion energy. So these are starting to pop up. They're very early stage technologies, but it's very interesting to see where they're heading. And then if you look at our portfolio, our products are designed to be used across different market verticals. So they're fairly agnostic to the different end user application, and that's what we've been trying to do with these products. And then further, markets where the applications need dynamic power control, where that's key. They need built-in feedback and control functions. That's where our products really come into play, and it's where we're focused. The modularity of solid state, our solid state portfolio plays a very important role, and it provides this flexibility that we're seeing in terms of requirements. And I think if you look at tubes sort of run out of speed and steam when it comes to control and modularity. And I think that's where most of the markets are heading right now.
And what type of challenges are you seeing your customers coming up against, and how are you addressing these?
We see our customers spending a lot of time designing amplifiers, which essentially really isn't their core business and shouldn't be their focus. So we see our job, and we see it as our major challenge, is to make sure that they get solutions that they need, whether they're integrated solution or individual building blocks like we've discussed previously, that they can configure themselves, and without having to invest time in designing and doing everything on their own. So that's really what we're about, and this is our challenge. And I always like to say to the team that we need to make the products that ensure our customers can relax knowing that we've got their key specifications covered, and we take that challenge on, and we take it very seriously.
And what kind of feedback have you received from the market so far?
Yeah, we're starting to see customers go to production, and that's really good news. And they're telling us really that they like the flexibility that our portfolio gives them. So they like that they can choose the key modules themselves. So they can go in and they can choose an amplifier, or combiner, wherever they need. And then once they have their system up and running, it's easy to adopt because of the modularity to higher power configurations. Further, what we're hearing is our products are easy to use, and that's something our team's really, really proud of, because it validates one of the key goals that we had when we set up the product line, and that was to have easy to use building blocks or integrated solutions that solve the problems of our customers. And when we hear that coming back, we know we're going in the right direction. And further, what we're hearing is that solid state solutions are really starting to replace tube-based solutions at a much quicker rate. And a good example of this was at this year's International Microwave Power Institute, the majority of the exhibitors were showing solid state solutions, whereas in years previous that would have been the other way around. It would have been tube-based solutions. So I think we're in a it's an exciting time to be working on these type of products, and we're only really a couple of years into our journey here, and there's a lot of more stuff to come from us, and so keep tuned.
Well, that's great to hear. So what's coming up next for Mini Circuits in this product line?
So we're fully committed to this business. We've been developing products for the majority of the ISM bands between, say, 2 megahertz and up to 5.8 gigahertz. So what you can expect from us is more integrated solutions, more building blocks, and more coverage of the frequency bands going forward. We do have the capability to adapt our roadmap for different customer needs. So depending on what requirements come in, what the customer needs, we have that ability to be flexible, and we have the capability to collaborate with customers at an engineering level and create solutions for specific system requirements. So really feel free to talk to us if you have a opportunity that needs a special solution. We're here to listen. So that's really where we're going.
Well, thanks a lot for talking with me today, Mark, about the RF energy market and how Mini Circuits is innovating in this area. We hope to keep following this market, so we hope to have you back soon for an update. To our viewers, you can find more videos at videos.microwavejournal.com. Thanks for watching.